Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Duraflame model guidelines and putting on heat-resistant gloves. Next, open the damper and any fresh air intake so combustion slows predictably. Using a poker, nudge the flame toward the center where it burns hottest to concentrate embers. This helps control the burn. Once done, position a metal container with a lid nearby for glowing coals or salvage. Make sure tools are within reach and that children and pets are kept at a safe distance. You now slow and smother the fire. Carefully separate the synthetic log so embers are exposed but not scattered. Use a fireplace shovel to move hot pieces and embers into your metal container. Move steadily to avoid dropping sparks. Once in the container, set the lid on to cut oxygen and extinguish remaining heat. If the log is still largely intact, press the edge down gently to reduce surface airflow. Make sure ventilation remains open briefly to avoid smoke buildup. You finish by watching the sealed metal container until it cools completely, typically 30 to 60 minutes depending on embers. Never move it while hot. Once cold, dispose of contents per local regulations. Some areas require landfill or special handling for synthetic logs. If you see lingering smoke in the room, slightly open a window and allow airflow while keeping the damper closed to prevent drafts into the chimney. If flames rekindle, repeat smothering steps and call emergency services if uncontrollable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.